Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enter fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to firstly turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up like this. In the appeared menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the third option, enter fastboot, and after that, as you can see, you will end up in the fastboot mode. From the fastboot mode, you can restart your device, you can enter recovery mode, you can enter bootloader mode, and you can just turn your device off. So let's just restart it, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.